My name is Joe. I'm at Break Time Billiards in Wilmington, North Carolina. And today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what does it take to improve your game of pool. Main thing is you have to play and you have to practice. You need to put in, a couple hours a week if you're a recreational player, but if you really want to get good at the game, you're going to have to put in a lot of hours. You'll be shooting drills. You'll be concentrating on learning your fundamentals so that they become habit. You'll learn how to aim a ball. You'll learn how to play Englishes. And all these things you have to practice and set the shots up many times and shoot them over and over again until you get them ingrained in your mind and they become second nature to you. If you learn how to keep your mind on the table, your game will improve. If you, through fundamentals, improve your stroke, your game will improve. If you practice shooting shots, your aim will improve and your game will improve. So, happy practicing, and that's how you'll get better.